the KoAloha KoAlana Tenor with the low G. Sound.
Enough said.
Yeah. Got that big KoAloha sound that you're used to. The low G, I mean, it's bringing it all together. As a matter of fact, the soprano and the concerts do come with the high G.
High G.
But you could throw a low G if you like that bass. And KoAloha is known for not only the big sound, but they put the low G on all their tenors. The unwound low G, so fluorocarbon string. Sapile all the way around, top, back, and sides. This is a laminate. It's got the nice nitro satin finish on it.
It's a good finish.
Which I like. The abalone rosette, musabi.
Keep trying.
That's what I've been saying.
The musabi sound hole.
Patented.
Yep.
Patented. Rosewood bridge, rosewood fretboard, okumi neck on it, gear tuners, 1.5 nut width, and you got your just slightly under 17-inch tenor scale length. But for what this is, which is a entry-level KoAloha, get you into the brand, give you something that you can take to the beach, you can travel with. It's going to feel good, it's going to sound good, but you're not going to be overly concerned.
You're not breaking the bank.
You know,
honestly, if you're watching this on the website, you've seen the price. If this was $100 more, I think it would still be a bargain.
A good deal.
Yeah.
Because you get the gig bag as well with it. And just, as we mentioned, just holding it, you can feel this is a solid instrument. It's a well-made instrument. And I know this took them a while to go through all the prototypes and get these final versions. And I know they're happy. They literally just came in. So what do y'all think? It's all right there. The new KoAloha KoAlana Tenor Ukulele.
Only at terrycarterbukestore.com.